Hello and welcome back into my channel Tech Devokanto. Today in this video we are going to unbox Omron ACM 7120 fully automatic digital blood pressure monitor with intelligence technology for most accurate measurement. So I am buying this product from Amazon. Now I am going to open this box. Here is our product Omron. It is Omron automatic blood pressure monitor system. So ACM 7120 is the model number. Now I am going to open this box. It is clinically validated, ideal for basic measurements. So along with blood pressure monitoring, this product detects the irregular heartbeat most recommended by doctors. So here is our main product. All the product informations are present here. The measurement method, blood pressure, measurement range, battery life, accuracy, all informations are present here. So this is the main information. It costs nearly 2000 rupees. You can buy this product from Amazon. I will put all the information link in my video description. You can go and buy this product. So here is our main product. This is for protection purpose. It is Omron. So checking your blood pressure at home is essential to preventing heart disease and strokes. This is the digital display, and start and stop button is present here. Firstly, you have to install 4 battery. Along with this product, you can get 4 battery, Duracell battery. These batteries are very useful. So I am installing the 4 batteries. Already installed an automatic blood pressure monitor. Some informations are present here, the serial number and all. Now all set up. This is the product information. Install Omron. Connect app to track your health. You can connect with a mobile app also. So connect Omron. You can monitor the health condition. So warranty card is there. Automatic blood pressure monitor. Instruction manuals are there. Very big. So all the product information, how can you use this? So you have to keep this device. This device you can get this. This is very useful. This pipe is already connected. So now I am going to connect this pipe with this machine. So keep aside this. So now I am going to measure my health condition, blood pressure, pulse rate. Now let's start. informations are there. 110 and 61 is the pulse rate per minute, and DIA. For charging purpose, you can use this pin, DC 6 volt input pin. So it's a quality product, doctors recommended. You can stop this. So that's all for our today's video. Thanks for watching.